In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front ball joint on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the cotter pin. Using a 17mm wrench on the front and the back side, we're going to hold the head of the bolt and loosen the nut. Remove the nut. We're going to thread the nut on a few threads. We're going to hit the bolt with a hammer. We put the nut on so we don't mushroom the head of the bolt. Remove the bolt. Using a pry bar and a hook, I'm going to hook over the control arm. We're going to pry down, pulling the ball joint out of the knuckle. Using a small wedge, we're going to go in between this coupler for the ball joint stud. Pull the ball joint out of the knuckle, swinging the knuckle to the side. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 2 nuts and 1 bolt. Remove the ball joint. Pull the control arm down and install the ball joint. Install the nuts on the bottom. And get the bolt started. Using a 15mm socket, snug down the bolt. Using an 18mm socket, snug down the nuts. If you have a small wire brush, go ahead and clean out on the inside of the knuckle where the ball joint will seat. Pull the control arm down. And install it into the knuckle. With the ball joint fully installed, we're going to remove our little shim, install the bolt, install the washer, and install the nut. Using an 18mm wrench to hold the head of the bolt, we'll use an 18mm socket to snug it down. Torque all of the bolts for the ball joint to 80 foot-pounds. There is no hole in the bolt for a cotter pin. Install the wheel. Get the lug nut started. Snug them down. Torque the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.